Having some cabinets to organize the things in your small bedroom is not a top-notch idea. Their bulky size definitely gobbles up the valuable space in your tiny bedroom. But that won't be a big deal if you can make your own cabinets that fit snugly into your bedroom. If you're looking for some DIY cabinet ideas, you've come to the right time and place, as I've listed 10 DIY-friendly cabinet ideas for small bedrooms. As always, this list is presented to you by simphome.com. 10. Turn it into a loft bed. Loft bed is the best solution for any bedroom with very limited space. By going vertical, you will have more space to move through, so the bedroom will become more comfortable and spacious, just like this loft bed. These cabinets fit perfectly with this tiny bedroom. The first thing you need to do is measuring the width of your bedroom thoroughly. Then you can make the cabinet frame. You will also need to make the bed frame that holds the bed in place. 9. Space-saving cabinets for those with a shared bedroom. When two users share a room, it means double mess. But sharing a room is not always a bad idea because it can be so much fun. All you need to do to maintain the fun while eliminating the mess is by making cabinets that can accommodate all the stuff without compromising the space. Shoving the cabinets and beds against the wall is the best way to create more space in the middle. Don't forget to make use of every space you have, including the corners of your bedroom, by making corner cabinets. Raising your bed a few inches off the ground allows you to have more space underneath, which means you can make some drawers for more storage solutions. 8. A comfortable nook design idea. Cabinets with built-in bed can be a great nook for reading or taking a nap. It might be rather tricky, but it doesn't mean you can't tackle it. You can always seek some assistance if you can't do it yourself. The first thing you need to do is making the frame where the bed nests. The frame will also support the upper cabinets that will be installed right under the ceiling. You will also need to make some niches on the support frame so they can host your books and any items that deserve displaying. 7. Replace your footboards with cabinets. You probably have been advised to rip your headboard and footboard off for many times. Well, some people think that downsizing the furniture and some add-ons is the safe bet when it comes to an undersized bedroom. Nothing could be further from the truth. Instead of ripping the footboard off, you can replace it with cabinets. It is an easy project, as you will only need to make some cabinets and install them to replace the footboard. To make these cabinets, you will need some plywood, screws, pocket hole jig, and some other materials. You might want to reinforce joints of the cabinets using corner brackets. 6. Make use of every space you have. Every inch counts in a small bedroom. Therefore, don't let the walls and the space under the bed leave wasted. And to achieve this goal, you will need to install wall-mounted cabinets. You do not need to make sophisticated cabinets. Some simple ones that look like cubes will do in a pinch. You can either ditch or install the cabinet doors, but for an easier access and a more stylish look, you can remove the doors. 5. Try sliding doors. These ubiquitous cabinets usually feature pull-out doors that take up more space, which makes your bedroom look more cramped. Why don't you try replacing the door of your cabinets with sliding doors? Sliding doors require sliding door track that enables it to move aside rather than forward, which means you won't sacrifice any space. This cabinet, for example, offers you ample storage space without seizing extra space. Besides having sliding doors, it has open shelves on one side that can help you store books and decorative items so you can grab them easily. 4. Incorporate Murphy bed to your cabinets. The great thing about a Murphy bed is it can be hidden away when you're not using it, so you can maintain the clean floor space. You can find the steps of making a Murphy bed from scratch on the internet, or you can add a twist to an existing bed frame by removing one of its legs, installing the struts, and attaching the frame to your cabinet. 3. Use a headboard that features cabinets. This headboard packs a lot of storage space for your small bedroom. It has plenty drawers at the back side of the headboard that you can use to store socks, jewelry, and underwear, while you have some cabinets and foldable side table at the front side. The way you make this headboard is exactly the same as the way you made the common cabinets. First, you can begin with cutting the boards and making the cabinet frame. Then install the drawer slides to the frame and each drawer. For the foldable side table, you're going to need to attach a board with hinges that allow you to fold it. 2. Upcycle fancy drawers. Drawers and cabinets with curvy edges and sophisticated details can be outdated for some people, but you can turn it into an epic headboard that is not only chic, but also functional. You simply need to sand and paint the drawers and cabinets the color of your choice, replace the pulls if necessary, and attach them in the place of your headboard. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, anchor your bed. Sometimes placing the bed in the middle of the room is worth trying, as you can have more space on both sides of the bed. To balance the look, you can place 2 cabinets on the right and left side, so it will look like the bed is anchored with them. So, now you know that having cabinets in your small bedroom is not always a horrible idea. There will always be ways to keep them without sacrificing space. Therefore, you should give these ideas a shot. Next, we're going to talk about 10 DIY shoe bench project ideas. Stick with us. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Browse and follow Simp Home website for more home decor and makeover ideas. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.